Hello everyone. I used to visit this place every spring when I was an elementary school student. In spring, you can enjoy the beautiful sight of cherry blossoms here. I'm not sure if it's still held, but back then I came for the sketching contest. I don't remember anything special about the contest itself, but I do remember enjoying sketching the cherry blossoms, and I also loved spending time by the river, which is well maintained. This time, I visited for the first time in years, hoping to refresh myself and relax. The day before, I had joined an event to open my flea market shop with my friend. I think she and I get along really well. We think in a very similar way, and I feel she could become a future business partner in my projects. At the event, I met many friends and had a lot of fun talking with them. I even made a new friend. She was a customer at first, but we instantly hit it off and quickly became friends. She's very friendly and I even got along with my friend too. In the end, she stayed at our booth until the event finished, helping us sometimes, and we talked a lot during the day. It felt as if we had been friends for a long time. I can truly say it was a wonderful time. However, as you may know, I usually spend most of my time alone. So, meeting many people in a row was a bit too much for me. I really enjoy talking and spending time with people I get along with, but somehow I always feel tired afterwards. That's why I came here to spend some time alone with the sounds of nature, even though the weather wasn't good. This park faced the road, but when I walked to the back, it felt a little lonely, as if I had wandered into a forest. Maybe that was because of the weather. Still, surprisingly, there were a few people camping along, and thanks to them, I didn't feel scared. When I sat quietly in the park, the murmuring river and the voices of insects healed my feelings. They eased not only my fatigue, but also released my worries and anxieties. Usually, I drink tea at home to calm my mind, and that works well for me. But sometimes I need moments like this. They give me a different way to relax, almost like a kind of detox for my heart. When you feel tired or when negative feelings weigh on you, what do you do? Do you drink herbal tea or go for a walk in nature? What's the best way for you to take care of your feelings? Please let me know. I'd be happy to learn from many people's ways. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care until next time, and may each day bring you quiet joy and peace.